if you have a chance to have a one-on-one with your skip level who is a director or your skip level who is a VP, this is my advice for what not to do. These sort of meetings, they're not for status. I sent that in advance. Instead, they're for strategy questions. They're for questions of how should my group line up with the larger AWS or Amazon strategy? And that's where I'm seeking larger context. In other words, I ran a group of up to 800. Andy ran a group of about 50,000. So he had roughly 60 times my context in terms of view of the world and complexity and market viewpoint and so on. And then you can use these meetings for quickly ticking through small problems. I need you to approve this PO because it's blocked on you. I need you to approve this offer for this person. You know, do you want to be on the interview loop for this director I'm hiring? But like tick, tick, tick real quick. That's how I use these meetings. So to go deeper into how I think you should use them if you're not yet a vice president,